like elephant, C like Charlie,
Yeah,
M like Mary,
yeah. Em like Mary.
000,
0, 0, 0, 3 number 0. Okay.
3 times.
Yeah.
575.
Oh, you mean like 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 3 times, right? Or just one time?
Yes.
Just one.
Ticket.
One
The
time.
ticket is.
I'm very sorry.
Okay.
I'm very sorry.
You ready?
Yeah.
I can repeat.
Okay.
E like Edward, C like Charlie,
Okay.
M like Mary, 000,
Yeah.
575, 8200.
8200. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Everybody talk to me different
Thank
story.
you.
Yeah, they try to make money only. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry. I saw how many times you called asking about the phone. I saw that we gave you credit, but then the charge was put back on. So I had to escalate it back to a supervisor. You no longer have cable or phone landline, but we need the supervisor to review your account and approve the refund. Okay?
Yeah, and also
So
with the
please wait.
and very sorry interrupt you and the new at bill. You see the new at bill. I see somebody connect with the TV save it whatever, but I only have but I only have internet with you. Please understand. Whoever try to set up packet.
Understood. So tomorrow is the 19th.
Yeah.
You should get a call back before 7 p.m. tomorrow from a supervisor.
Yeah, connect
So
with
when you see tomorrow your phone number that the supervisor will call you will start with 800. So tomorrow do your best to answer the call for the supervisor request.